They sit down, they get situated, and I'll say this, man. The thing I love about, even more than the movie itself, we all love the previews. You love the previews.
Hello? Hi.
And I'll tell you why, because
Watching
it doesn't matter
Comedy
what anybody here
Central.
does for a living. Whatever your occupation
Yeah.
is, the reason you love the previews, it's because it's the one
No.
time in all of our lives
Well,
that we
only
all
I
get to
stay
be
up.
a critic.
I stay up.
Because you
I'll
know,
wait
as
for
soon
you.
as that preview ends, you're going to turn to the person next to you,
Please, I want to like get ready to
and you're going to review that
Where
film.
are you going to?
And whatever it is,
New
you
York.
mean it. That first preview comes on, where's everyone? Where's the van? The van was supposed to be here.
What? No. I just had it. Okay.
That looks good. I want to see that.
I love it. I can't find the hole. Can you ever? You're always like, right? Shh, you can't find the hole for the cup.
I know. I hate it.
I'm always like,
Where is it? Where is it?
I'm always like, it's
Cameron Diaz. Oh my god, I can't believe it's you. After all these years. Stupid. Stupid.
So stupid.